Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all a breast pump. I was breastfeeding my baby and I had a WIC appointment that I had to go to, and they ask you questions about how you gonna feed your baby, formula, or you gonna breastfeed. And I told them that I was breastfeeding, and surprisingly I got a breast pump for free. She asked me did I need a breast pump, and I told her yes ma'am, and she gave me a breast pump for free. So you have to be breastfeeding your baby and you have to be on WIC. You only can receive this breast pump from the health unit. That's where I got mine from. I don't know about other programs, but I'm doing this on the one that I got from the health unit. Get it after you have your baby if you're receiving WIC. If you're in an area to where you have a health unit, you should be able to get a breast pump for free if you're breastfeeding, and you got to be on WIC. So this breast pump is fairly new. I did pump milk, but I did most of my breastfeeding on demand. So it comes in a sack like this. You have all these different parts to it. This little part right here where you can put, stuff that you need to put inside of here. You have this part right here on the side where you can put the bottles on the side of the sack. You can have it on both sides. And this is the main part of the breast pump carry case. I also use this as my diaper bag as well, y'all. So they have all this come in there. I'm going to show y'all the parts to the breast pump, how you hook them up and everything. It also comes with a handmade one, a handmade pump, but I never used the handmade one. So this is the breast pump, and it's from Ameda. I think that's how to pronounce it. Ameda. And it also have the part in the back to where you can put batteries in here if you need to pump milk on the go. If you don't have a way to plug up your breast pump, you can use the batteries. They have this piece right here that hooks up to the breast pump. You hook this up on the side of the breast pump. This is the part you put into your socket. You hook this up right here. Not on this side, I'm sorry, y'all. You hook it up on this side. And you put it right through here. Okay. And this part right here, let me untangle it so y'all can see. Okay. No, this one right here. Let me see. Okay. So you get this part right here, and this piece right here go inside this one. So you just push that in. And these are your breast pumps. You put each one on your breast. They do have different sizes to fit the nipple part of your breast. So you want to have it to where it's, when you put your breast pump on, it's going to suction the milk out. If it's too big, then you need to get a smaller size, because they have to be tight enough to actually suction the nipple part of your breast so the milk can come out. They have another lit case in here. It's like a, what they call it, a cooler bag. So where if you're on the go, you can take this with you. This is the storage time cord they have on here. When you pump your milk, they let you know how many days it'll last, how many hours, and all that. And these are the bottles that come in here, and I have 6 bottles. This is how it looks. And you see the blue ice packs on each side? Those you're supposed to freeze, and they just go up in here to keep your milk cool. So let me open one up so I can show you how it goes on the breast pump. So this part right here comes out. This is the part that you need in here. And you put this back in here like this, and then you just screw this part on. You got to have all your pieces so the breast pump will work properly. This part can come off, and you got to make sure you this piece inside of here. That's your suctioning cup. This the part right here that goes on to your breast pump, and you just snap that down. Okay, once you have that all connected, you have the speed on here. You have the speed on here, and you have the suction speed on here as well. So you want to set these to where it's comfortable on your breast, to where you are pumping the milk out of your breast. You don't want it to be too intense, because it's gonna irritate your breast, your nipple part. So you want to set it to where it's just right for you, and it's just this something that you just play with so you can feel comfortable with it. My baby done woke up. Tell him, hey, I was trying to do this video before he woke up. Okay, and then after that, you plug it in the socket, fix your speed and your suction, and you just put these on your breast, and the milk is going to go into the bottle. And you can pump milk for, I would say, do it for 20 to 30 minutes. See how much you can pump for 20 to 30 minutes.
Mom.
And then after you do that, you have a...
Mom. Wait, Mom.
Okay, it's raining? Okay, and then after you do that, you have a cleaning process you have to do. So this is a suction based bottle with the nipple cleaner part as well that goes with it. So this is what you need to clean your bottles with. So how you clean it, I'm going to show y'all right quick how you clean it. You're going to take this part out, because you got to clean this part too. And you're just going to use, you can use soap detergent. Be quiet. You can use soap detergent, something lightly, to clean the bottles. You're going to take this part loose, and you're going to take this part out. This part should not get dirty, but if it does, you have to clean this part too. You're not going to clean this because you don't want water to get into this. So this should not get dirty at all or wet. But if you have to, you can always take this off. You can take this rubber piece off of here. Let me see. You can slide it off. This on here is so tight. Let me see. So yeah, you can take this off of here. If you have to clean it, I would just say to wipe this part down because you really don't want this part to get wet. And then you just slide this back on here. Slide it all the way up. So the main part you're going to be cleaning is this part right here. This part. And you're going to be cleaning the part where your nipple goes. And the only thing you have to do... Stop, come on. The only thing you have to do with this is soak this piece right here and wipe it a little bit because you don't want to put a hole in this part that you need. You want to use this part and just, get all into. You want to use this part to clean it down up in here too. You're going to clean like this and then you're going to get it and clean right here. Once you do that, you're going to rinse it off. And you're going to sit it on, if you have a drying rack, you're going to sit on a drying rack. If not, you can use a paper towel and let it dry on a paper towel. But you want to keep this separate from your regular dishes. Once it dries, you put it back. I would say you put it back in this bag. Put it back in the bag. Or you can just put it back together on here to where it would be ready for you when you get ready to pump milk again. So you just put it back together. And if you have any questions, you can always email me. My email is always in the description box below. Also, this breast pump comes with a manual. So it'll tell you everything that you need to know in here. It also has a educational video that you can watch. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I say, you can get this for free. You can contact a health unit that's near you. You will have to be breastfeeding and receiving WIC. And you only get this after you give birth to your baby. So if you already gave birth to your baby, you're able to get a free breast pump from the health unit. So you will have to Google health units in your area, get the number, call them, set up your appointment, and you should be good to go. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.